yawa, no yawa. So let's get started. Okay. Think there's no time to waste. Let me. Okay. Okay, Charlie. Once again, we are all welcome to this session, beginner session. And in this session, we are basically going to talk about what the financial market is, the types of markets in the financial market, some of the opportunities in the financial market, and also how to go about or find our way or navigate around the market. So I don't know if you can all hear me. I'll just go straight into action. Or do we have, what are your expectations? Or do you have some questions you'd want to ask before I even start with the whole presentation? Emmanuel, Kojo, Kingsley, Caleb, Louis. Anyway, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. So is it okay? All right, sure. So then I'm going to. Okay, all right. I'm going to share the screen and make me start. Okay. Okay. So we are just going to start with a presentation. So let's get ready. Right. So I'm Da Costa, Isuma Da Costa, and I'm the market analyst at BD Swiss. Okay, BD Swiss is just a leading financial market broker. So what a broker does is that it connects you or gives you all the technologies that you need to have access to the financial markets and also do some trades on your own. BD Swiss is a global brand that serves millions of clients. Okay, from big institutions to retail traders like you and I. So we are going to, first of all, you need not to just jump straight into trading, stats, all those things. First, you need to understand. If you already have the experience, then it's fine. But if you don't, then you need to understand what trading is about, financial market, all of those things before you even start with Forex itself. Okay. So let's delve into it. The first one is Forex trading overview. But before I'm coming, somebody wants to join. Okay. All right. Please, can you see my shared screen, the PowerPoint presentation? Hello?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. All right. So first of all, we are going to start with overview of forex trading. But like I said, forex trading or forex market is just one part of the financial market or one market under the financial market that you need to first of all understand what the whole financial market is about before you even start trading forex itself. So people keep joining in. So yeah. So what is, first of all, what is financial market? Okay, financial market is just financial markets. Oh, somebody wants to join. Last one. Let me admit and then okay. So financial markets, or first of all, what is even markets? When we say a market or marketplace, it's just a place where buyers and sellers trade things of interest. Okay. So let's say right now we are trading something of interest. I'm sharing the financial market trading knowledge with you, and you're also giving me your time. Okay, so we are trading time for knowledge. So we can call this maybe time knowledge markets or whatever. We can also apply the same thing in other areas. So wherever you are now, you can choose to, somebody can choose to say, oh, give me your phone or something for money. What that means is you are selling your phone to the person and the person is also buying from you. That's why he or she is giving you the money. So in that space, you can also call that space or wherever you find yourself as a marketplace. Okay. So basically, a market is a place where buyers and sellers trade things of interest. Okay. Now, then the next question is, what is financial market? A financial market is a place, okay, or a platform where buyers and sellers trade financial instruments. It's because it's financial markets. Like I said, markets is just a place where buyers and sellers trade things of interest. So you can see Gobe markets, you can see Wachi markets because the Wachi seller sells the Wachi to you. You give her money because you buy it. Okay, but right now we are talking about financial markets. So the word financial should just say that we are trying to talk about financial instruments and all of that. Okay, so financial market is a marketplace, okay, or a system or a platform where buyers and sellers trade financial instruments. Please, is it? Do we have any question for that answer? Any question before I continue? Please, any question before I continue? All right. Then the next question is, what are the types of financial markets? Okay, so you can equate the financial market to, let's say, Accra Mall or Makola. Okay, when you get to Accra Mall, in Accra Mall, we have sub malls or sub markets in there. Okay, so we have the shop, right? We have places where they sell clothes, where they sell shoes, where they sell jewelries and all of that. All those ones are different markets in the main Accra Mall market. Okay, because the Accra Mall market is a place where buyers and sellers treat things of interest. Okay, but when you get there and you go to a boutique or where they sell shoes, in that shop or in that market, what they do basically is buyers buy the shoes and then the sellers also sell the shoes for them. Okay, so in the financial market, we have sub markets like the Forex market. Okay, Forex markets, commodity markets, crypto markets, indices markets, bonds markets, stocks markets. So each of these markets have things that they sell there. So in the Forex markets, they basically, or the traders, they basically deal in or they trade in currencies. That is Forex market. Stocks market, the traders there trade in shares of companies. Okay, so if you are buying a stock or shares from let's say Apple shares, basically you are participating in the stocks market. Okay, we have the crypto where the crypto traders or the buyers and sellers trade in, everything in the crypto space. Okay, so we have financial markets as the bigger markets. And in the financial markets, we have sub markets. And Forex market happens to be a sub market of the financial market. Commodities market happens to be a sub market of the financial market. Now, then the next question is, what then is Forex market? And like I mentioned earlier, market is just a place or a platform where traders buy and sell things of interest. Now, in the Forex market, which is a sub market of the bigger financial markets, traders trade in currencies, only currencies. So if you are trading in commodities, you can't say that you are trading Forex. You are trading in the commodity market. If you are trading in cryptos and all of those things, you are trading in the crypto market. Indices, you are trading in the indices market. Okay, let me add these people. Okay, all right. So that is for the Forex market. Now, what are some of the characteristics of the Forex market? It's the most liquid financial market. When we say liquid, what that means is that they are ready buyers and sellers. So one of the practical liquid markets that we all know is, let's say, the Gobe markets or the morning Wachi markets. They are ready buyers and sellers. The Kuku market, ready buyers and sellers. But if you take a market like that of the pizza pizza, shawarma, and those markets, they are not liquid. It's for some kind of people. Because my mother might have not even heard of shawarma or pizza. Okay, so if you see forex market is the most liquid financial market, what we are trying to say is that is the market that's where we have ready buyers and sellers. What that means is that if you have, let's say, some currencies or let's say dollars right now, and you want to change it for some CDs, you have people ready to change it. Okay, and it's as a result of activities like money exchange activities going on globally. Currently somebody is moving from Ghana to China to go trade and do all of those things. He cannot use the money Ghana cedis in China, so he has to change them at the airport or forex bureau before he or she leaves. So that is the back and forth and the activities that makes the forex market very, very liquid. Okay. Now we have characteristics of the forex market. Like I said, it's very liquid. You can trade it 247. Okay, so we have different forex markets. We have the offline forex market, and then we have the online forex market. The online forex market is traded, or the activity occurs in just 5 days. Okay, so you can just trade from Sunday night to Friday night. So we call that one the 245 markets. And then the offline one where you can walk to any forex bureau, any bank to do your transaction, or just boys, peer to peer. You change your CDs for some dollars. It's 247 every minute, every hour. You have people ready to exchange their currencies for other currencies. Now, I forgot this. Let me add this. Forex is a short form of foreign exchange. Foreign exchange. Okay, so foreign exchange short form is what we call forex. Okay, so in this case, if I'm giving you one CD or a CD for another CD from you, that is not forex exchange, or that's not forex trading. Okay, but if I'm giving you a CD, or I'm giving you one CD for a foreign currency, then both of us are participating in the forex market. Okay. Now, then the next one is forex trading. Basically, what's forex trading? Like I mentioned, trading involves buyers and sellers. Okay, trading involves buyers and sellers. So then, in the forex market, where traders deal in only currencies, it means in the forex market, the traders buy currencies from the sellers. Please, you get it. So we still have the two parties. We still have the buyers and we still have the sellers in that market. So a practical example is if I have some CDs and I want to buy, let's say, dollars from you. Okay, first of all, I need to have an understanding. I need to have a reason why I want to buy the CDs from, the dollars from you. Now, let's get this concept too. Like I said, in every market, you have buyers and sellers. Why do buyers buy? And why do sellers sell? Buyers buy when they believe that whatever they want to buy is going to appreciate in value. And sellers sell whenever they believe that whatever they want to sell is going to depreciate in value. So let's say if I have some CDs, let's say 12 CDs now, and you have $1, okay? And I said, oh, Charlie, I want to buy $1 from you. Why do I even want to buy? The thinking or the belief is that that dollar that I want to buy from you will appreciate in value over a period of time. That is why I want to buy. And why do you also want to sell your dollars to me? It's because you see no value for the dollars that you have at that point in time, but you value the CDs that I have with me. Please, do you get it? Right. Then the next one too is why do people trade forex? Please let me add someone. Oh, okay. Um, okay. So then the next question is why do people trade forex? There are two main reasons why people engage themselves in forex trading activities. Okay, so the first one is for profit purposes. Why? Like I mentioned earlier. So let's say I believe that, oh, looking at this Ghana economy, dear, nothing better is going to happen. So what do I want to do? Maybe if I have some CDs with me right now, I would want to change it for some US dollars, okay, and keep it over a period of time. And then during that period, let's say 2, 3 years, whatever, if you guess or it appreciates from 12 cedis to 20 cedis, and I change that dollars, I have some 8 cedis difference as profit. Please, you guys. So one reason is for profit purposes, and then the second reason is for business purposes. Why business? Let's say I deal in cars. Okay, I want to go buy some American cars from America and come and sell to my clients. I cannot use CDs in America because CDs is not their legal tender. So what do? I then have to change the CDs for some dollars before I even travel outside to go and get those cars that I want to sell to my clients. Okay. Then the last point is, why should you learn how to trade forex? Now this is very important. Okay. The first one, okay, the first one is financial freedom. Now, when we say financial freedom, we are not referring to billionaires and whatever. Yes, they all fall in that range. But in this case, what I'm trying to imply is that, let's say wherever you are working, you just do the work because you need money to, keep going. Do you get it? But ideally, maybe you have passion for soccer or to become a footballer or a musician, or some of these passion driven careers. But here's the key: is that you need money, you need to feed. So what do? You find yourself in a job where you are not even passionate about, or you don't even love. But if you understand and you learn how to trade the financial market properly, or the forex market, you are then going to also know how to invest your monies, know the things to buy and sell to make profit, and then have time for your passion. Okay. Then the other one too is global opportunities. So unlike other careers, let me give you a practical example. We have local job opportunities, and then we have global job opportunities. When you go to the universities here, you have your certificates. You just need to find jobs around. Okay, because even if you travel outside and you want to work in some of their companies or whatever, you need to ensure that you school there and then you have their certificate before you can, work with them. But the forex or the financial market trading scale is a global scale. So when you know how to trade, you know how to navigate, find your way in the market, there are a lot of opportunities. You can be working with a broker, like I'm working with BD Swiss right now, and BD Swiss being a global broker, you can just navigate through, different brokers. Um, you can be a content creator. You can create content around this forex, online trading, and all of that. You can manage accounts for people. Okay, so people who don't know how to trade can give you their funds to manage for them, or you can also set up a fund or a trading platform, management fund, where people can add their money. You trade for your cards. Okay, there are a lot of them. Like there are a lot of them that maybe after this session you can also take the time to read about. But basically, there's a global skill that if you take your time to study it very well, it's going to position you for the global market, give you the freedom to do some other things that you're really passionate about. So this is the first part, forex trading overview. I would want to know if you have some questions before we move on to the other topics. Okay, yeah, Luis.
Okay, so you mentioned the types of financial markets, but
Yes.
I want to know if the forex, the commodity, and the crypto are all types of financial markets.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So like the example that I used earlier, that you can equate the financial market to Accra Mall. Okay. You realize that when you get to Accra Mall, we have sub malls or sub markets in Accra Mall where they sell just gadgets, electronic gadgets, where they sell clothes and all of that. So yes, it's part of the financial market.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Henry. Yeah, Henry. I'm listening on your mic, and then let's hear from you. Or would you want to type? You can type in the chat box so that I read it out to you. Okay. Please, any question before I move on? Okay. Okay. All right. So then we are going to move on to the next slide. So then the question is, now that you have a fair idea of what the financial market is, like all those back and forth, the question is, how do you start trading? Okay. So first of all, I'm going to use the offline forex trading setup, explain that, and then replicate it of for you to have a better understanding of that of the online forex market. Okay. Now the first thing or the can you all see the diagram?
Yes, please. You can see the diagram.
Okay, can you see it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, please a second. Let me add a few guys. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yes. Let me. Right. So how to start to the offline? Okay. Let's say you have some dollars that you want to change for some cities. Where do you go to? The first place you go to is the first place you go to is, oh, somebody wants to join. Oh, come on. Okay. The first place you go to is the Forex Bureau. Okay. Let's say you have dollars, you want to change it for some cities. The first place you go to is the Forex Bureau or the bank. Okay. Now, the Forex Bureau tells you the current rates in the market. I tell you that right now, $1 is going for 13 cities, or maybe $1 is going for 12 cities. All those back and forth. Okay. Now, when you have the same system online, let's say you want to trade in currencies, you then become the trader or the Forex trader. You, the person who has walked to the Forex Bureau to change your dollars for some cities, you are now the Forex trader. Okay. Now the Forex Bureau that you walked to, okay, for them to change your money for you, when you create an account online, okay, or the same Forex Bureau, when you meet it online, we call it a Forex broker. So for instance, with you, you have your pictures, like somebody can see you as maybe Kwame, like one on one, see you in person, have a look at your stature and how you look, your facial, whatever, but you still have a picture online. That's sometimes call it the avatar, the DP, blah blah, all of those things. DP doesn't really even mean it. It means like you or your avatar, let's say a replica of you. Okay, the same thing. So if you have your dollars, you want to change it for some CDs, you go to a forex bureau. You now become a forex trader because you are trading in currencies now. Okay, online too, you can be called a forex trader or you are still a forex trader. Now, the broker that facilitates your trades or helps you the technologies, let you know the prices in the market and all of that, is now then becomes the forex broker. Okay, let me admit. Now becomes the forex broker. Okay, now so as you can see from the diagram, we have forex trader, forex broker. Now you know that you are the forex trader and then a forex broker. Now you realize that when you go to forex bureaus, you see some board there with prices on there where they say you buy maybe USD at 13 CDs, sell USD as 13 and 12 CDs and all of that. When you go online or when you want to start trading forex online, those bots or what displays the prices in the market to you is what we call the trading platforms. Okay, so you see, the whole thing is that the broker has millions of clients, like BDSwiss, for instance, has millions of clients. And with these millions of clients, what they do is they cannot tell you the prices in the markets like just on phone. They call you, Kwame, there's the price, Kofi, there's the price going on. Like it's too much. They can't do that in a day. So there is a mobile app or a trading platform called the MT4 or the MT5 or the BDSwiss web trader or the mobile app where you can trade, or you see the prices and then start trading. Okay. Now, before you even start trading as a trader, then with this network, what you have to do is that create an account with a Forex broker. Okay, create an account with a Forex broker. Now, when you're done creating the account with the Forex broker, you verify it. Then you deposit the money that you would want to use in depositing or trading. In trading the financial market. Deposit that money in your trading account. The broker doesn't take your money, it doesn't do anything with your money. Your money can sit in there for 100 years. If you don't touch it, the money will still be there. But immediately you place your trade, it's like you sending them or using their technologies for transactions. So when you place your trade, they route your trades to the central banks, the markets. So the markets is made up of you and I, financial institutions, central banks, hedge funds, and all of that. They route it there to know if, let's say, you say you want to buy dollars at 12 cedis now, and then they take that order, send it to the market, and then at that point, let's say the market is also selling the dollar at 12 CD. You buy it, you hold it for a period of time. If you make a profit, they credit you. If it doesn't go your way and it depreciates in value, the debit starts from your account. So that's the work of the broker, and the trading platform helps you to see the what's the name, the prices in the market. Now, one thing you need to know and be careful about that. In as much as we have scammers around physically, we have scammers online too. So what do you have to do? Ensure that the broker that you are working with is licensed, okay, or has the license to provide you with all those technologies. So this is the network, how the forex market works, or if you want to start trading, how to start. First, you as a trader, create an account with a broker. Then the broker will give you login details to your trading platform. Then on the trading platform, you see the prices in the market. Then you start trading. Okay, but before you even choose a broker, ensure that that broker is licensed. If you don't do that, then you are trading or doing the whole thing at your own risk. Please, do you get it? Please, do we all get it to this point?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, okay. So that is it. I would want to know if we all have accounts with a broker. Who doesn't have an account with a broker? Who doesn't have an account with a broker? Do we all have an account with a broker? Yeah, Kingsley. I'm Mewube.
But
There's
no,
problem.
no, I don't.
You don't have an account. Okay.
No, I don't.
All right. Blaze, do you also have an account?
No, I don't.
Okay. Let's make it easy. Just go online. I don't know if I'm coming. Please a second. Mm, Okay. Please give me a minute. Let me join you. I would want to share a link with you so that you create an account. Okay, so I'm going to share a link in the chat box and then I'm coming. Let me see how best I can. Mm. And please, are you all on the Telegram?
No, please.
Okay, I think I'll share all those links right now. So the Telegram link and that of um okay. 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 I'll finish. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to put that in a chat box. Yeah. So okay, the link that I've shared is for the account. You can just it's account. Okay. When you tap on that, a page will appear, which I'll go through. We'll do that together. Now, when you create the account, the broker will give you some logins, okay? And you will use those logins to log into the trading platform. So I want to take you through that process to enable you do that. And you can do that with any broker, but I'm just using BD Swiss to help you understand how this whole thing works. So, and then I'm okay, Telegram. Somebody mentioned Telegram. I'm coming. Telegram. Okay. Please, have you seen the links in the chat box?
Yes, you have.
Okay. So let me take you through the registration process. Coming. Um, I'm going to stop sharing this screen and then share that one. Please, if you already don't have, okay. So, like I said or I mentioned earlier, it's just, coming. Okay. So, first of all, the whole thing is that, like I mentioned, or the illustration that I did earlier, if you want to trade online forex or you want to do the online forex trading, first create an account with a broker. Okay. Now, when you create the account and you're done with the account creation, the broker will give you logins. And you're going to use those logins in the trading platform. Now, when you're able to log into the trading platform, there you will see the prices of currencies. Okay. There you do your analysis. We have analysis and all those things, or I'll share with you tomorrow and I think Wednesday. Okay. But first of all, before you can trade online, create an account with the broker. Then the broker will send you some logins. And when you have those logins, you then use those logins in a trading platform. Now, when you're able to log in, you can now have access to currency pairs or the instruments or those things that you want to trade in. That is the beginning. That's the start. It's something that you need to know. And then from there, we continue with the analysis and other stuff. Okay. So please, can you, with those who don't have accounts, okay, with any broker, or you don't know how to even create an account, go or check from the chat box. You see a link ending in 3. Tap on the link, and the page you are seeing now will pop up. Okay. Please, can you all see this? They're
Yeah.
opening a live trading. Yes. So what do you do is you type in your first name. So if you don't have an account, let's do this together. Okay. So then from this, I'm going to take you through other. So type in your first name. One thing too is that when you are done with it, okay, the broker is going to verify your account. Going to verify your account. So ensure that whatever name that you are typing in here is the same name you have on your Ghana card or passport. Ensure that you have the same name, because you can't type in here maybe Kwame Mensa, and when they want to do verification, it will be Kwame Ansa. No. So please type in your the same name that you have on your Ghana card. Okay. So first name, you can type in your first name. Okay. And then your last name. So let's say if first name, for me, I can just write Acosta. The last name, Suman. And then Ghana, you are in Ghana, so you select Ghana. Okay. Or you can even see the automatic there as Ghana. And then the number plus 233. If it is 24024, you do away with the zeros. So plus 233, let's say 2454, all those things. And then date of birth. Okay. Date of birth should be the same date of birth on your Ghana card. The date of birth you are going to type here should be the same date of birth on your Ghana card. Then the next one is your email address. So the broker is going to communicate with you, with your account, with your withdrawals, with news, with promotion, with bonuses, with all of those things via your email. So ensure that you are typing in the email that you used often. Uh, oh, I'm coming. Please, I think somebody. Bliss, please, you have a question.
Yes. I
Okay.
noticed the form doesn't give room for middle name. So how do we go about that?
Okay. So how do I even put it? If you have your name, okay,
Okay.
let's say Kwame Ansa Mensa, or let's say Kwame
Mm-hmm.
Ansa Kelvin. Okay. On your Ghana card, maybe use the
Mm-hmm.
Kwame as the first name, Ansa as second name, and then Kelvin as the third name. But in this case, it's just requesting for the first and the first name and that of the last name. So normally the first
Yes.
name are the foreign names that we acquire, or from your name, you know which one is the first name. So if you have three names, you just put the first name there, and then the last name can be the two names that you have. Please, do you get
Okay.
me?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I get it.
All right. Yeah. So from there, please, any question before I continue? Do you have any question? Anyone? Okay. Then the next one is your email, which we've spoken about that, and then a password that you won't forget. Okay, password that you know that this password, dear, I'll never forget. And then there are some conditions. A password minimum length is at least 8 characters, and the password must contain at least one character in upper and lower case, one digits, and at least one special character. So it's not different from what we already know. Okay. And then the trading platform. So here we have MT4 and MT5. Now, MT4 is just a short form of MetaTrader 4, and MT5 is a short form of MetaTrader 5. Okay. The difference is that MT5 is just an upgrade of MT4. It's like iPhone 14, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, like all those upgrades. Okay. But like I said, the trading platform is where you are going to execute your trades, analyze your market, and all of that. We are going to do that once you are done with the registration. We just use the logins for you to have a look at it, and then we continue. So when you are done with that, you tick verify. Sorry, I hereby verify that I'm 18, blah, 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 blah. And then you tap on submit. Okay. Okay. Please, are you done submitting? Please, are you done submitting? Hello, please, are you done submitting? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, like what I did hear you.
Okay.
I'm done submitting.
Okay. All right. So when you are done submitting, what I would want you to do again is that if you are using an iPhone, go to the App Store. If you are using that of an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store and then search for MetaTrader 4. The color is blue with some, I think some triangle be in there, but it's blue. MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4. Okay, so we have this MetaTrader 4. We have the phone version, and then we have that of the PC version. I'm going to take you through how to do that of log into that of the PC and then log into that of the phone. Okay. So please, if you don't have MT4 already on your phone or your PC, on your PC you can just hold on. I will show you that when you log into your BD Swiss account. But on your phone, you can just search MetaTrader 4 and then download. The icon or the logo, the icon is blue in color. MetaTrader 4. Okay. Please let me know when you are done downloading it. Are you done downloading it? Okay, Bliss.
After submitting, I noticed I was sent a verification code via text in my
Yes,
mail, but then the page is not giving me an option to input.
the verification. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we'll do now is that let me share the screen again. Let me share the screen again. Coming. I think that's okay, I'm coming. Stop this. And then I'm coming. Okay. So if you are using a phone, maybe you might not see this, but you see the same B this way. So if you are you are using a PC, you see this. Okay. First, you can check your inbox, the email you used in creating the account. Okay. Check your inbox. You realize that B this way sends or they sent an email right after you registered. Please check that and let me know what that email says before we continue. Your inbox and check the email from BD Swiss. Yeah, Bliss, what do you see? Yeah.
I'm currently loading the email page because
Okay. Okay.
mm,
Okay. Okay.
so it's a
Mm-hmm.
welcome to your financial market,
Right.
offering a bit of description
Yeah.
Then it's given an introduction on how to get started.
Right.
Then it's given, oh, okay, so the screen has also popped up and I've received another verification code.
Okay.
Yeah, so let me enter that and see.
Okay. Okay.
3065.
One guy.
Okay. Yeah. They said the code is wrong. Let me.
Okay.
9604. They're also saying the code is wrong.
Oh, maybe is it because okay, no. Then you know what? Just go to the BD Swiss website. Okay, maybe www.bdswiss.com. Okay.
Okay.
Or even in the mail, is there an option for you to log into your account or visit the website or something down there?
No, no,
Maybe
no,
like
no. But it just
okay.
picked. It just accepted the code.
Okay, so it's okay now.
Yeah, it's okay now. It's okay.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So now, yeah. So can you see your dashboard now where you have your name, like your profile? You can check
Oh,
what I have on the screen. So uh, I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay. 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 So you have something like this.
yeah, yeah,
You have something like this.
yeah, I do.
Okay. All right. I don't know if we already. Okay. So please, quick one. Kingsley,
But it's
could
just
you?
that I don't have the introducing the broker
Yeah.
account.
Yes, we will go through all that. So, Kingsley, MC Legacy. Okay, he's not.
Yeah. Is it
Yeah,
me?
Kingsley. No, no, I was
Yes.
referring to. Yeah. So, please, those who already have accounts, is it with BD Swiss or with some other broker?
BD Swiss.
Okay. Okay. So,
BD
have you gone?
Swiss.
Okay. So, have you gone through all this process, or I have to?
Yeah, we've gone through.
Okay. Okay. All right. So let
Yeah, I've
me.
also gone through.
Okay. So right now, now we are going to. If you don't have the introducing broker, what the introducing broker simply mean? Okay, I will explain that later. Okay, but
You take
if
Momo.
you have,
Oh, okay, okay, sure, sure.
please, yeah, please, you see, if you are using a mobile phone, you see that down there. Okay, the mobile phone down, like on your phone, you see something like a plus where you have these accounts. If it's a mobile phone, you see something like a plus down there. Please, those using mobile phones, I don't know if you can see that.
Yes, there's a plus down there.
Okay, so you tap on the plus. You tap on the
Okay.
plus. Okay. You tap on the plus, then you see different accounts. Different accounts. Then you select classic accounts because I just want you to have the same accounts that I have here for illustration purposes. So you see classic accounts, not classic demo, classic live.
Classic life.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you select that. Please, if you have already created an account with BD Swiss, but you haven't created a classic live account, you can create that now just for you to, for educational purposes. We all go through this together for you to understand them better. Okay. Let's say you have all of those accounts now.
Mm. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was that.
Yeah. Yes.
So,
Can you hear me?
select account type. Yeah, I can hear
Yes.
you. We are having
Yeah. So you have the
to
class.
open a classic account and trade 250
Yes.
plus
Yeah. So the
CFD, and then the next one is open a classic account and access advanced
okay. So you have
trading and
classic account.
analysis.
You
Which one are
see,
we choosing?
yeah, you see MT5 or MT4, the classic accounts. Do you see that? MT5 or MT4?
Oh, okay, yeah. So yeah. MT5 and
Yes.
MT4.
Yeah, so you
Yeah.
choose MT4 because when we were creating the account, we
Okay.
chose MT4. But if somebody you created MT5, you can choose MT5 in creating the classic account. Okay.
All right.
All right. Yeah, Luis.
I have the account, but I'm seeing two classic live.
Yes.
Where one is read only.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so the classic live, we have classic for MT4 and then classic for MT5.
MT4.
But I'm not seeing the introducing broker account. Though.
Yes. So you create the live, the classic one. I will explain what the introducing broker means too. So you can create a classic and then later I will show you that of the introducing broker. We'll come back to that. Just create the classic. I'll take you through how to log into the trading platform, all those back and forth. And then when we are done, we'll come and look at what introducing broker means and what the managed account also means. Okay. Okay. Uh yeah, please, are we done with it? Yeah, Ebenezer. Yo, Eben.
Yes, Da Costa. So after selecting the classic, um,
Yeah.
it takes you
Classic
to
account.
select currency.
Yeah, please come again. Hello, please come again.
Connection is blocked. Yeah, can you
Yeah,
hear me?
yeah, it keeps breaking.
Can
Yeah,
you
I
hear
can hear
me?
you now. Yes, yes.
Da Costa, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can
Yes,
hear
so I
you.
was saying after selecting the metaphor classic life, it
Yes.
took me to a screen and it says add
Mhm.
account on top. And then below it there's
Yeah, yeah. I didn't hear you. You ended up below it. There is, and I didn't hear you.
so yeah below the add new account. No, below
Hmm.
the select currency there are three currencies: euro, USD, and then
Okay.
GBP.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
yeah. So that one is called we call that the base currency. So, like, let's say when you start trading and you want to deposit your money and start trading. Okay, what you do is that you deposit that, like, your money. What you use in deposit is in cedis. Okay, let's say you are transferring from your Momo
Okay.
to your trading account. It's in cedis. But how do you want the broker to have it? Okay, or how do you want to see it? Do you still want to see it in cedis there, or you want to see it in dollars there, or you want to see it in pounds there? So if it is cedis, you are, maybe if it is 120 cedis, you are going to see 120 cedis there. But if you choose a base currency of USD, it's going to be, let's say, $10 there. Please, do you get it?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So you can choose the USD. Please, have you created accounts? Are we all down with that part? So that, yeah, Bliss.
The leverage, should we go for the default?
Yes, go for the default. So with the leverage, we have two types of leverage. You have the dynamic one, and then we have the default one. Now, what is even leverage? Leverage is before individuals or retail traders like you and I would have never had, like, if we were to be in the olden days, we have never had the opportunity to trade in the financial market because it's just huge monies that are being transacted, like, moved there. Okay. But the broker is cushioning you, or cushioning you and I as traders, that we can deposit, let's say, as low as $10 or $100, but we can still have access to whatever is happening in the financial markets. But it's still, the value still is the same, in the sense that if you deposit $10, and you choose a leverage of 1:100. What that means, or let's say if you deposit $1 and then you choose a leverage of 1:100 and you start trading, the market will see you as somebody with $100, even though you deposited $1. So that's what we call leverage advantage. It's like a loan that the broker gives you to enable you trade the financial market as somebody with huge funds. So with as the static or the default leverage, I think is 1:400 or something. What that means is that if you deposit $100 for to start trading with, and you place your trade, the market will see you as somebody with for $40,000. Yes, $40,000. Please do you get it? And then if you choose that of the dynamic leverage, that one it changes. It's not default. The default one is like that is your leverage that has been given to you, or the money that has been lent.
Dynamic.
They've borrowed you to enable you trade the market. But the dynamic keeps changing depending on market conditions. So for a starter, I would prefer that you start with a dynamic um, leverage. Please do you get it? You start with a dynamic leverage, and when you have the experience, you can now change to um, you can now change to no. When you're starting, sorry, start with default leverage, and then when you gain the experience, you can now change to dynamic
Default
leverage.
leverage.
Yes.
When you go to your mail, you go and click on the email they sent.
Yeah.
And you start trading. Yeah, in the email. You have to go back to the email.
Okay. Please, is it clear to this point?
Yes, it's
Please, is it clear? Eben, Kobla, yeah, Luis.
So this dynamic and things you're saying is in the mail or what?
No, when you decide to choose like what I have on my screens like this, okay, your account, you have the demo manage, blah blah. But when you create the account fresh, you only see the demo account. Okay, when we say demo, it's just practice account. So you can't just get into the market
Okay.
without practice or understanding how it works. Okay. But I would also want you to create a live account so that you know how or the things to choose, like that of the leverage, the trading platforms, and all of that. But to do that, if you are using that from your phone, okay, or you're accessing this platform from your phone, then you would see some plus sign at the down right corner, plus sign down there. When you tap on the plus, you see the different account types. See different account types like that of a classic account, manage account, IBs. I'll talk about the introducing broker and all of that, but I would want you to create a classic account. Okay. So you select the classic. Now, in selecting the classic, you see the currency or the base currencies you would want to choose or want to use as your base currency. You can choose USD or any other base currency. Then the leverage. The leverage, you choose default leverage. We have dynamic leverage and then we have default leverage. Then you choose default leverage. Okay, so I think that's where the explanation got to. Yeah. I would want you to create
Not
the
seeing it.
classic account. Have you tapped on the plus?
Yeah, so when I tap on the plus,
Hmm.
I see like two accounts, like the demo, then there's a live one.
Yes.
Is that
No, so look at what I have here. What do you have in this dashboard if you open your account?
please hold on. Um, um, it's, please give me a second. I think I mistakenly
Okay.
logged out.
Okay, sure.
Um,
Luis, you
okay,
have a
okay.
question?
So
Yeah.
in
Okay.
my account,
Yeah.
so I see
Yeah.
demo, then I see classic live.
Okay, then that is it. That is it. Then it's fine.
But I'm
Yeah,
not. I don't see
Luis.
the leverage and
Okay, I think when you were creating it, did you create it right now or you created it?
no. I created it. I think Friday.
Okay, I think so. Maybe in the process
So
or
I've
when you
seen
were doing it.
default leverage.
Okay, then it's fine. Then it's fine.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Luis, do you have any question?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, sure. So on my dashboard, I can also see like four things. I can see the classic demo,
Mm-hmm.
MT4, classic demo,
Mm-hmm.
MT5, classic live,
Yes.
MT4, and classic live, MT5.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not seeing what is on your dashboard though. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah.
I'm confused.
Yes. No, no, don't be confused. What I also have on my dashboard are account types, different types of accounts. Okay. So I will explain that, like I said, the managed account I will explain, the introducing broker accounts I will explain. But for now, let's say you're a trader, you've just created an account, you want to start trading. We have the practice account and then we have a live account. So we have set up the classic live account in case you want to trade live, you use that. But the demo is for practice. Please, you get it.
Yeah, please. What's the difference between the MT4 and MT5?
Yeah, so the MT5 is just an upgrade of the MT4. Like you having iPhone X plus or 7, whatever, and then later they have iPhone 7S. Do you
Okay.
get it? It's just an upgrade.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please, are we
Thank
all
you.
on this the same page? And have you also
Yeah.
downloaded the MT4? Please, with those who just created the account, I said if you're using an Apple
No.
phone, just okay. If you're using an Apple, go to the App Store and then search MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4. If you are using Android phone, go to the Google Store and then search MetaTrader 4. It's blue. The icon is blue. Okay. You download it and then you let me know for us to
Okay.
start.
I've
Yeah.
downloaded it.
Okay.
Yeah, Da Costa.
Yeah, Louis.
Should we download the MetaTrader 5 too, or only the 4?
Okay, so you have one of your accounts in MetaTrader 5, so you can
Yeah.
download the MetaTrader 5 too.
Oh, okay, okay, sure.
Yeah, but they are all the same, like it's the same principle, the same flow. It's just a different interface and upgrade. Okay, so we use the MetaTrader 4 for educational purposes and practices, and then when you gain the experience, you can now switch between any of them.
Okay.
All right.
That- that's good.
Akosa,
Yeah.
how do I delete an account from my dashboard?
Okay, that's if you already have an account.
Yeah.
Let me help you out. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I just want to. Okay. Settings. Okay. MT4. Okay. I would, because I was thinking we could do that in the settings. What, if you leverage, okay. What we can do with that is I'll share the account manager's contacts here. Okay. Because they are more into the accounts issues that you have with your account. So if you want to delete, you want to do all of that, they are the best people to advise and also help you out with the process. So, Frimpong, let me share a contact with you so that Frimpong, Frimpong. Oh, okay. Then I'm putting that in the chat box. Mary,
Okay.
yeah. So that's accounts managers. Yeah, Mary 02. Okay, 054597215 3. Okay, so that's Mary. 054597215 3. And then we have Cornelius. Okay, so come in. That's 054 286 0294. Okay, so please, those are account managers who we even have in the office now. But if you have any challenge, you can call them. They are the best people to deal with your accounts management issue, verification, all those things. You want to delete account, change leverage, and all of that. Okay. Please, is it okay to this point?
Yeah, very, very, very okay.
All right. All right. Sure. So now the next thing is, the next thing we are going to do is, now that you have your account and you have downloaded the MT4, okay, we are now going to use the logins that the broker has given you to log into the MT4, have access to prices in the market, and we just experiment some one or two, just buy and sells with no analysis, just play with them, just to get used to the MT4. And then maybe after the session, maybe in the evening, if you have time, you can just go on YouTube, look out for more information about MT4, MT5 trading and all of that. And tomorrow we'll continue to. Now, please look at what I'm sharing on the screen now. Okay. You will come or you select that of the classic demo, like I'm selecting now. Like, so if you are using PC, you can just tap on it, or if you are using a phone, you just tap on it like this. Classic demo. Okay. Now, the classic demo, you see overview, transactions. That is when you are, let's say, trading and you want to withdraw money and all of that. That's where you do your transaction. But overview, transaction, then you see MT4. Okay. So you select MT4 like this. Please, have you selected the MT4? Please, have you selected the MT4? Overview. When you select the classic demo, you see overview, transaction, MT4. Then you select MT4. Please, can you all see it?
Yeah, I'm in here.
Okay. Now take good note of the login details. You see login details. Login. This is me, my login. I don't know what you have. You can write it somewhere, or anytime you want to have access to them, you just log into your dashboard, select classic demo, and then you select MT4. If it's the live trading account, you select that, you go to the MT4, you see the same details. So you can write it somewhere. Your login to be, this is my login. The password is the same password you used in creating the account. Okay, so your secret password is what you use. And then that of the server. Okay, so you write the server to somewhere. Then I'm now going to show you how to use these logins to log into your MT4. So please let me know when you're done writing them somewhere, so that I now take you through how to then use these logins to log into the MT4, which is a trading platform for BD Swiss, for you to now see the prices in the market. Please let me know when you're done writing it.
So, we are writing. Hello.
Yeah.
So we are writing the login.
Yes, but the reason I say just write it today is just for this training purpose. Write it
Just the
somewhere.
login.
You now, yeah, just the login details. So the login, the password you already know. The
Yeah.
server to, yes, you write the server somewhere.
Okay.
That's for education, like training purposes, okay? But it's the same principle. So
Okay.
logging into your demo account is the same as logging into a live account.
Okay.
Please, you get it?
Okay.
Yes, yes. So when you're
Okay.
done
So we are
writing it,
there.
you let me know. Okay, please, are we all done writing it?
Yes, I'm done.
O- Okay. So if you are using a computer, okay, sorry, if you are using a phone, let me deal with the Android guys first before the iPhone guys. With the Android guys, if you are using a phone, okay, look at the top left corner. You see some three horizontal stripes. Top left corner. If you're using an Android phone, top left corner, you see some three horizontal stripes. Please, can you see it? If you're using Android, please, is someone trying to log in using an Android device or phone?
Yes.
Okay. So open the MT4, tap on the MT4. You see some
Yes. I'm there.
pop-ups. Yeah, you see some pop-ups. You can cancel them, like because those are not the ones that we need. Then you look at the MT4 top left corner. Top left corner. You see some horizontal stripes, three.
Top left corner.
Yeah. Let me.
Um,
Can you see it? Okay, let me see if I can.
Dakota, can you see my?
Yeah. Uh-huh. That's your MT.
Is it visible?
Yeah, I can see it, but okay. That's the MT4.
Yes. This is
Okay.
a
You
screen
see.
I get.
Okay. But did you see the top left corner? Okay. Bring it down a little bit and let me see. Okay. Oh, it's gone.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Do you see something like add account or something or manage account? Do you see something there? Please check. Can you see something of that sort on
Add
the screen?
accounts.
Add account or manage account. The top, where you have the top left corner, three horizontal lines. I'm coming. I'm coming.
No.
Okay, I'm
So
coming.
I'm just at the page where I got the login details.
Oh, in the what's the name? That is with the BD Swiss account, right?
Yes, yes.
So I said yes. From there, just write the login details, maybe in on a sheet of paper somewhere, and
Yeah,
then
it's written.
download. Yeah, so move from that page totally. Go to the Google App
Okay,
Store or Google yes, Google App Store, and then download MetaTrader 4.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it's downloaded already.
Okay. So when you tap on the MetaTrader 4, you look at the top left corner.
Yeah.
Aha. So okay, this is what you see. Now check from the down there. You see, let's say tabs. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs. Select the first one. That looks like
Okay. An arrow.
parallel arrows, one to the top, one to the down. And then from
Yes.
there, look at the top left corner. Yes,
Okay.
top left corner. Yes,
All
the
right.
horizontal lines where you see quotes, you tap on it. You
Okay.
see manage accounts. You see something like that, manage accounts.
Yeah, manage accounts.
All right. So then you select the manage account. You just tap on that manage account.
Okay.
Okay. Then you see at the right part, you see plus, some plus sign there.
All right.
Can you see the
See.
plus? Yeah, so tap on the
Yes. Yeah.
plus. Yeah, tap on the plus. Please, are we all following so that we do it for the Android users? We do it once and for all before we come to the iPhone users. Okay. So top right. So when you tap on that, you see open a demo account. And then you also see log into an existing account.
Okay.
Yeah, so you select
You've seen the
log
two.
in. They write select log into an existing account. Yes.
To an existing account.
Now, yes. So now when you exactly. Yes, yes, yes. Right. So now when you select, you see find broker. find broker.
Yeah.
So the server that you wrote, the BD Swiss SC hyphen demo, blah blah blah, like all those numbers. Type in that server there, and then it will pop up for you to select.
Oh.
Please did it. Okay, no problem. So you can go back to it and then write the login and that of the server.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
It has been stated, right?
Okay, then you select. Immediately you type in that, it will pop up. Then you select. Now, when you select that, then you will see login and password.
Okay. So what do we put at the okay.
Yeah, so the
Two,
yeah, so the
seven,
login is Please, are we all following so that we do it once and for all for Bliss, Caleb,
Okay.
Dennis, Emmanuel, Juliana, Kingsley, Clem, Luis, Motive, Raphael, Zainab. If you already have an account, then it's okay.
I've not set up my account yet, but I'm using an iPhone.
Oh, okay. Please, who is it? Zainab.
No, it's Bliss.
Oh, okay, Bliss.
Yeah.
You had to set up the account so that we go through the process like Ebenezer just did. Do you have your MT4
Yeah,
account created?
I've downloaded the MT4.
Okay, and have you created the account with BD Swiss?
Yes, I have done that.
Okay. Have you look at what I have on my screen? Have you
Yeah.
okay, so you have the MT4. Have you tapped on MT4 like this?
Yeah, I have the login
Logins and
server.
the okay, all right. So we are now done with the Android. Okay, Frimpong, are we done with yours, the login in?
Yeah, so this is where it took me. Wait.
Yeah, so did your name appear? Is your name there? No.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Okay, yeah. So yes, I can see it. I can
All
see
right.
it. So then it's fine now. Let's help. I'm going to help the others to also log into the MT4, and then now we will now pick it from there with the iPhone users. So with iPhone users, please, do you all have the MT4 downloaded?
Yeah.
Yes.
Have you downloaded it?
Okay. Okay. Now that you have the iPhone, the MT4 downloaded, the down right or right. How do I even put it? Right corner, right down corner, or right corner down, right corner. That's how I can see the right. But please, I hope you get it. You see the settings icon. Okay, that thing that see it looks like an engine parts, rotating engine parts. The settings normally, even on our phones, when we try to do some things on phone, we see that as settings logo or icon. Sorry, icon. Please, can you all see that?
Yeah.
Right corner, right bottom corner.
Yeah.
All right, something.
On the right, but
All right.
I'm seeing more. Like when I tap on the more, I see choose profile and settings and other stuff.
Okay, so then you select settings. Is it iPhone?
Yeah, iPhone.
So you tap on the settings. Please, after tapping on settings, what do you see? Is it you see add new account? You see your name or something, and you see add new account, something, new account.
Okay. For me, I see trade accounts, new accounts,
Mhm.
mailbox, news,
Right. So
trade view.
select new account. Yeah. Select new account. Yeah.
Okay. So I have open a demo account, log into an existing account.
Okay. So then you log into an existing account.
All right.
Log into an existing account.
Okay, so it's asking me to enter the server name.
Okay. So the server name is what we already have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
The server name is what we already have. Okay. So you type in
yeah.
the server name, it will pop up. Then you select it.
So now it has signed me in.
Okay. Have you typed in the login and the password? Everything.
Yes, I have.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Louise, please, I'm listening to you.
Me, I didn't see any like I'm coming. I saw
Okay.
like when I tap on the more, I see my name, the BD Swiss Global ID, then under it
Mhm.
verified.
No, are you using an iPhone?
Yeah, I'm using an iPhone.
Okay. And did you select the MT4?
Yeah, I selected MT4.
Then I think you've already logged into your account, or
Yeah, sure.
you've already done that before.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, then it's fine. I was just
Oh,
taking through. Okay,
oh,
please,
okay.
yeah, please. Are we all logged into the MT4 now or the trading platform now?
Yes.
Okay. So now this is what
Hello.
this is. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Okay, so I've downloaded the MT4 on my phone. Then I'm
Mm-hmm.
trying to add account with the number
Okay.
plus my
Yes, you can.
password, but it's not working. So I don't know
Oh,
what.
are you using an iPhone? Please, what phone are you using? iPhone.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's the same process. Let's say you have downloaded the
So I click on the
MT4. You want to.
settings down
Mm-hmm.
there, the down right. And I
Right.
choose new account.
Uh-huh.
Then it says open a demo account or log into an existing account. So I should choose
Yes. So
login or
you're logged into an existing account.
okay. So I click that.
Oh, he left. Okay. So now that we all have accounts, okay, the trade this logged into the MT4. Now remember I mentioned earlier that as a trader, yours is just to trade, or Forex trader to trade in currencies. Okay. It's either you buy or sell. Now, when does the buyer buy? The buyer buys when he or she believes that whatever he's going to buy is going to appreciate in value. And then the seller sells when he or she believes that whatever he's going to sell is going to depreciate in value. It means that if you buy, you're expecting the market to go up. And if you sell, you're expecting the market to go down. Yeah, Dennis.
Yeah, sorry, I went off. I'm back.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Is it okay now?
Uh-huh.
Log into
Yeah,
existing
so I'm saying
account.
that. Yeah, okay. I've clicked login to existing account. Then the
Yes.
login should be what you made us see earlier on, right?
Yeah, so when you tap into log into existing account, then you will see broker or search company or something. Then you type the BD
No.
Swiss server there.
eh, Okay, I should touch BD Swiss.
Yeah, if they say search broker, do you see something
Okay,
like
okay. I've seen it.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So BD Swiss, the demo one. Okay.
yeah, BD Swiss SE hyphen demo 01.
Yeah. Okay.
Then now you type
Before
in
I
the
input it.
login. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So so the same thing applies to the live account. Let's say if you are done with the demo you want to log into. So when you deposit into your live account,
Okay.
the same process.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but I have a question.
Yeah.
So the MT4 app is different from the BD
Mhm.
Swiss app.
Yeah, so yes, you have the BD Swiss app
So
and then that of the so yes, let me explain the difference. So the MT4 is created by a third-party company called MetaQuotes. Okay. And basically it displays prices in the market. Now, to avoid monopoly and all of those things, most financial institutions or trading brokers or financial market brokers outsource or use that third-party platform, which is the MT4 or the MT5. Please, do you get it?
yeah.
Now, somebody can say that, oh, me, I don't want to use the MT4. I want to use the trading platform by the broker. So now you download the BD Swiss mobile app. The BD Swiss mobile app, you can just download. It's the same as the website that has been like compressed in one way or the other.
Yeah.
But BD Swiss also has its trading platform, okay, which called a web trader. There's no difference when you're trading on the web trader, just that you have BD Swiss tools, like different
Okay.
tools there. And just that the prices don't change. It's the same thing. Whatever they are selling at 2 CD on the MT4 is the same 2 CD on the BD Swiss platform. Okay, so
Okay.
somebody can choose to tell me, I want to use the BD Swiss platform, it's fine. Someone you can see that I want to use the MT4. The MT4, the MT5 is popularly used, and that's why people have the taste for that. Okay, please, is it okay,
Yes.
Dennis?
Okay.
All right. So have you all able to log into accounts? Okay. So, like I said, if you have any account related challenge, you can look in the chat box, call Mary or Cornelius. They will help you. Maybe with withdrawals, with deposit verification. You want to delete something, they will help you out. Now, the next thing is that
Real option. Like anything I do.
yeah. Dennis, mute your
Your
mic.
life
Okay,
account.
please mute your mic.
Sorry.
Yeah, Dennis, please mute your mic. So now, what we are going to do now is, at this point, we are going to do some trades ourselves. Okay, just to have a feel of what this whole trading thing is about. But what we are going to do today is not analyze, or there's no analysis in there. It's just I'm just buying and selling just to see where to press a
Start.
buy and where to press a sell. Then from tomorrow, we'll now look into how to analyze. Okay. So now you can open your MT4 again. Down there, I'm coming. At the bottom part, we have um, at the bottom part, you see some arrows, like it's like they are parallel, but achiakakra is not horizontal, diagonally parallel. Okay. When you tap on that, you see prices changing. You see something like USD JPY, AUD CAD. Please, can we all see something like that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Please come again.
Okay. So when you open the MT4, okay, down there or the bottom part, you see, let's say pages or whatever, you see diagonal parallel lines, one going up, one going down, but not horizontal, not vertical, but it's in a diagonal form. Please, can you see something like that?
Yes, you can see. Percent 11 points.
Please, can you see that? Where you have Dennis, please mute your mic, please. Yeah. Okay, but please, can you all see the quotes? That's what we call quotes. The diagonal line where you see prices moving up and down with alphabets and numbers. Can you all see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the alphabets there just represent the currencies that we are going to trade. Remember that in trading, it involves buyers and sellers, meaning that each trade it's like there are two people involved. Okay, so if I'm going to buy one currency and sell one currency at the same time, we call that currency pairs. Currency pairs. So if I'm trading Ghana cedi for USD, it's the same as trading USD Ghana cedi pair. Please, you get it. Now, what you see there, USD JPY, basically represents USD Japanese yen. Okay, when you see GBP USD, is a short form of Great British Pound, Great British Pound against USD. Now, how do you know the details of this currency pairs? Just tap on it. Okay, you can just long press it or just tap on it once. I want everybody to do that. Tap on any of the alphabets. Tap on any of the alphabets, and then you see new order, open charts, symbol properties, or simple view mode. When that pops up, tap on the symbol properties. Symbol properties. Please, have you all done that?
I'm not getting that. I'm getting trade chart details, but it gives
Yes,
the
so
current
select.
info.
Yes, so select the details. I think
All
with the
right.
iPhone, you see details. Yes, select the details. So then the top there, you see the Canadian, if it is whatever currency that you've selected. If it's CADJPY, it will give you the full like definition or meaning for it. So I have chosen CADJPY. I'm seeing Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. What that simply means, you are trading or you're exchanging Canadian dollars for Japanese yen, which will go in depth from tomorrow. Okay. So the first part where you see the prices, if you want to just skip and come back, okay, where you can see the alphabet and the numbers. The alphabet represents the currency pairs, and then the numbers there represent the prices. Okay, the numbers represent the prices. Okay, now then we move to the second one, the bottom there. You see something like there are three rectangles. Okay, let me put it. I don't know if you all can see it that way. Like some three rectangles.
Hey,
Yeah.
also.
So you select that, and then you see lines and some plenty things there. Please don't get confused. We are going to look at all of that tomorrow. Okay. That's please mute your mic. Yeah. So that is where we call the charts. Okay, we call that place the charts, and there you do analysis. Where from the analysis you can then suggest that you can buy or sell and do all those back and forth. Please, are we okay to this point?
Yes.
All right. Then the middle one, that's looks like another. How do I even? It's like some arrow with fork, kind of. So you let's just follow the sequence. The first one is diagonal parallel lines. Okay, it talks about the codes, the currency pairs, and the prices. The second one is the charts. Then the third one, when you tap on that, you will see something like you see balance, equity. Please, can you see all those numbers?
Yeah, sure. Balance,
Yes,
equity, margin,
I can see
free
them.
margin level.
Exactly. Now, so balance. When we say balance is, let's say right now you create an account and you deposit your money. Okay, let's say $100. That is your balance. Now, immediately you place a trade, then your balance is now your equity. Now, what is the equity? The equity is your balance plus or minus your floating profits or floating loss. Now, let me explain this. For instance, let's say you go to the market to buy a watch, okay, at let's say 1,000 cedis. 1,000 cedis is now the balance. Okay, that now becomes the balance. How much you've really bought the. Dennis, please mute your mic. Yeah. Dennis, please mute your mic.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. So balance. Let's say you buy yourself a nice watch today at the price of say 1,000 cedis. That is your balance. Now me, I come in and I tell you that, hey, I want to buy your price your watch at 900 cedis. Okay. If you agree and sell the watch to me at 900 cedis, that becomes your new balance. But in the course of bargaining, somebody will say, I'll give you 950, somebody say, I'll give you 1,001, somebody will say, I'll give you whatever. That becomes your equity. Okay, so your equity is your balance plus or minus your floating profits or floating loss. When we say profits in trading, basically you are referring to your, let's say, the thing appreciates in value or how you wanted it to be, okay, or it meets your expectation. And when we say loss is when it doesn't meet your expectation. So let's say you went in to buy a watch, you want to sell it for 1,002, you bought it at 1,000 cedis, and nobody's coming in to buy it at 1,002, but they buy it around 900. We say the watch has depreciated in value. As a result of that, the expectations were not met. You can say you made a loss or the watch depreciated in value. Okay, so when you place a trade, that is where you see the trades running. Okay, that is with that side. And then the next one to it is history. So when you close your trades, let's say you place your trade and then you are in profit, you close it, you see it in the history. When you place your trade and it depreciates and you don't make any profit, you close it, you see it in the history as well. So these are the basic features I would want us to look at on the MT4. And then when we delve into it tomorrow, we'll all get a better understanding of how the MT4 works. Okay. So for now, I would like us to experiment something. Okay. So come back to the first button or the first page. Tap on any of the pairs. Okay, tap on any of the pairs. Tap on any of them. Where immediately tap on, you see something like new order, charts, and all of that. Okay. When you tap on it, select trade or new order. For the Android users, you see new order. For the iPhone users, they will see trade. It's the same thing. So just tap on any of the currency pairs and select trade. When you get to that page, don't press anything again. Wait for us to all get to that together. Please, have you done that? Select the currency pair. And when you select the pair, you will see the options, properties, blah, 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 like all of that. You will see new order for Android users, or you see trade for iPhone users. If you're iPhone user, select trade. If you are Android user, select new order. Please, have you done that?
Yes, please.
Okay. Frimpong, please, have you done that?
Yes, I've done that.
Okay, all right. So when you select that and you select the new order or the trade, you see that there's the top part, you see something like market execution. Please, can you all see it? Market execution.
Your market
Yes,
education.
exactly.
Yes, we
Yes,
can see.
exactly. Yes. Now, right under the market execution, you see a number there. It's in the color is ash or gray or something. So most of you see it maybe around 1.00 or something. What do you see? Just right under that of the market execution. What do you see? 1.00 or 0.1?
0.01.
Okay.
0.0.
Okay. So if you are seeing 1.00, I would want you to just tap on it, delete whatever is there, and then retype 0.01. Then I will explain that. Tap on it and retype 0.01. Please, have you all done that?
Yes, I've changed it to 0.01.
01. Okay. Now, what that number represents or means is it's called the lot size. Okay. Let's take this opportunity to understand what lot size is. Let's say you have 100 cedis out of your money. Let's say you sell tomatoes in your
Now,
area
Costa,
and
can you come
yeah,
again? It's called what? Lost.
Okay. Lot size. LOT
LOT.
SIZE. Yes, SIZE. Lot
Lot
size.
size.
Yes, size.
Okay.
So it represents the size or the amount of money you are taking from your balance to initiate the trade. Okay. Now, a lot size of 0.01 is equivalent to $1. A lot size of 0.10 is equivalent to $10. And a lot size of 1.00 is equivalent to $100. Now, let's say you sell tomatoes in your area, okay, and you are in the market now. You want to buy some tomatoes and come and sell, okay. What you would want to do is somebody will say that, oh, maybe me, I don't know, maybe if I buy these tomatoes, maybe the people in my area are not going to buy, even though they buy every day, but I don't know what they will do this time around. So I'm just using 10 CDs from my 100 CDs to buy the tomatoes and come and sell, okay. Me too. I'll say that, oh no, me, I believe that they will buy. So I'm using all my 100 CDs to buy the tomatoes and come and sell. Comparing these two people, if they bring the tomatoes home, okay, and let's say the buyers are ready to buy, which of them is going to make more profit? Hello, please,
Please,
did you get my question?
can you come again?
Okay. So I said the lot size is a part of your money that you are selecting to initiate the trade. So 0.01 lot size equivalent to $1. 0.10 lot size equivalent to $10. And 1.00 lot size is equivalent to $100. Now, a better understanding of this, what this lot size means is it helps you control your risk. So, for instance, we are two people. We all sell tomatoes in our provision shops in our area. We go to the market, or currently we are in the market. I have 100 CDs on me. You also have 100 CDs on you. I want to buy some tomatoes and come and sell. I use 10 CDs of my 100 CDs to buy tomatoes. You also use all your 100 CDs to buy tomatoes, okay? Now we get back home and people are ready to, buy the tomatoes, or they are really buying the tomatoes. With these two people, who is going to make more profit?
The 100
One
cities.
who the 100 cities.
Okay, so let's say the same 100 CDs guy, we go home and people are not buying the tomatoes. Who is going to lose more money?
The 100
The 10
cities.
cities.
Thank you. So the thing is that you believed that when you buy these things, people are going to buy. But for all you know, by the time you get home, the people there are not interested again. They don't even want to buy. Or maybe somebody has even come there to supply them with the tomatoes. Okay. So then what you then have to do is that manage your risk very well. So just take small part of your money to buy the tomatoes. So that in case even they don't buy, you don't lose all your capital. You can still have some capital to come back to the market. Please, is it okay?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, so for a beginner, I would advise that when starting trading, start with a lot size of 0.01. Okay. And just do your trades, make your normal profit. And when you gather the confidence and
So
experience, yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah, Dennis. Yeah,
You said
Dennis.
that 0.01 is $1.
Is equivalent to $1. So let's say
So
if you have
this uh-huh.
So let's say if you have this trade running, or you want to place a trade right now, and you select a lot size of 0.01, what that means that you are taking $1 from your money to initiate the trade.
Okay, so does it mean the maximum loss I can have on that trade is be $1?
No, so the maximum loss can be even more than the $1, and your maximum profit can even be more than the $1. So after you have placed the trade, you are now going to state that, oh, when in case the thing is not going, or the whatever I bought, nobody is buying and is depreciating, when it gets to a maximum of $1, I'm ready to just take my loss and leave. But when you place a trade with a lot size of 1.00, which is equivalent to $100, you have already passed the $1 threshold. Please, do you get it? So your loss, in case you're making a
Yeah.
loss or is depreciating, is always going to be above 100. Please, do you get it?
Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
in the BD Swiss app,
Yeah.
I don't. Is the lot size also there?
Yes, you type in the lot size, which we'll delve into them maybe tomorrow. Okay, but this is just for the MT4 for you to
Later.
have a
Okay.
fair,
Okay.
yes, a fair idea. So now that we have all selected lot size to be 0.01, everybody's lot size should be 0.01. Okay. I'd want you to be placing trades on your own. Just select pairs, like different pairs. I only want you to place a trade on one single pair. So let's say if you buy Euro USD, you can sell USD JPY, like different pairs. Okay. If it's buy, you so okay now that you have selected it, okay, where you change the lot size, look or check the bottom part of it. You will see a sell. You can I think the iPhone is sell market or market sell something.
Sell by market.
Yes. Sell market, right?
Sell by market, and like buy market.
Okay. No, so hold on. No. Do you see market execution at the top there?
Yeah, market execution at the top.
Okay. And then change your lot size to 0.01.
Yeah, 0.01.
Okay. With the Android users, down there you see sell and buy. With the Android users. With the iPhone users, you see like it says
Yes.
sell. You see just two buttons. Okay. Press any of them. Like just do any of them. We are just experimenting. Tomorrow we will now understand or have a plan as to how to place trades. Okay. But just don't do one. Do more of them. Like you can come back to the quotes. But no, let's continue. Later you can come back to that. Now we selected the price from the first part. We have now placed our trade. Come to the middle part or the middle where we have the balance, equity, and those things. Okay. Please, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. You
Okay.
see that the trade that you placed is running there. Can you
Yeah.
see it?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Now, when you place a trade, okay, immediately you place the trade, you see it as red. The red is the charge the broker charges you for using its technology or connecting you to the market. And that is also called the spread. Okay. So when you place it, you see maybe 0.10 cents, 0.2 cents. That's all that the broker is charging. You can place more trades. This is just an experiment, okay? So just place more trades. Tomorrow we'll all go through whatever we have done with these trades and then see the outcome and then now have an understanding of how to place a trade. You just don't place it. It's like you want to get into a business. You just don't invest or just place your buy the things and come in. So you need to understand that what am I buying? Why am I buying? Please do you get it? In case it's not going my way, when am I to leave? If it's going my way, what's the profit that I want to take? Please do you get it?
Dakosta, so how do you sell
Yeah.
or how do you close the trade?
Okay. So now that you have it running at the where we have the balance, the equity and those things, okay, you can just tap it with the iPhone users, you can just slide it to the left. Or if you're an Android user, you can just long press what is running. And then you see close order. Please, can
Okay,
you
for
see it?
me, for the iPhone, I'm only seeing icons.
Okay. No, just okay. So the iPhone, you
Which
can
I long press and I'm seeing close modified trade chart.
yes. So long press the running trade, the trade that you just placed.
Okay.
Just tap it, long press it, and then you see close order or close trade.
Okay.
Yeah. So then you can close it. You just select the close. And then when you select the close, you come to the right side where we have the history. select where we have the history. Please, can you see it in the history? The ones you've closed.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is it. So you can now go back to the trades and then be placing some trades there. Please, you get it. But before we get into that, let me just take the opportunity to for us to finish with the slides, and then you can be doing your things. But please, is it clear to this point?
Yes.
Okay. So the idea was to okay. Okay. So I can now stop it. Okay. 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 All right. So now we are now going to move to the next slide. Okay. Okay. Please, can you all see my shared screen? Can you all see my new shared screen?
Yes, we can see.
Okay.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. Okay, yeah. So with the trades that we placed, we just did them random, like no analysis, nothing. But the thing is that to become a successful forex trader, these three key things are the subjects or topics you need to understand: forex trading strategies, forex trading risk management, then forex trading psychology. Strategies, risk management, psychology, we'll treat all of that tomorrow. And then from there, you can now have a plan as to how to trade. Okay. Then when we do that of the strategies tomorrow, I'm going to share also with you BDSW's trading tools. Okay. And with these trading tools, they can help you in assessing trading the market. Okay. Like tools that you can use in your analysis. So in the strategies, you have technical analysis, fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis. All these things I will explain to you, and you also have tools to help you in analyzing the markets. Okay. And then the last one is, let's say you have started with trading, you are not even ready to trade, or you're already trading. You can also partner with BD Swiss. Okay. So for instance, let's say somebody has expressed interest in trading before. You'll be like, okay, if you want to trade, I can link you to a broker, or maybe a training institute or a broker which is already in the system or in the market. Now, what do you then become? You become a partner of BD Swiss. When you then become a partner, BD Swiss will give you an affiliate link that you can share with your following or people who want to start trading. They create accounts, they start trading, and all of that. And then BD Swiss will reward you with some commission. This is not refer somebody for bonus, those kind of investments. No, this one, you have started trading, or you have shown interest, you are going through the training. If somebody says he or she wants to be part or wants to learn, you can give the link to the person to either register or visit the website, do all the research, and if the person is okay and wants to trade with the broker or BD Swiss, they can now have access to that. So if you are interested in a partnership program too, I can share the contact of the one who handles it, and he is going to guide you through the process. Um, so I'm coming. I'm going to share the contact with you. 00593617944. Partnership. So if you are interested in partnership for something, you can call that number, and he's also going to guide you through the process. Okay. So yeah, so we bring today's lesson or session to a close, and I hope I was able to add some value. And okay, I was able to add some value, and this is just a beginning session. Whatever that we have studied or we've discussed, you can also take the opportunity to, maybe when we are done, you go online to read more about all of that and then get a fair understanding of how these things work. Whatever that I'm sharing with you is the basics that you need upon which you are going to, or you can build the what's the name? Build your trading strategies and all of that. Okay. Please, is it okay to this point?
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody raised their hand. Clem, yes.
Yes, good afternoon. Yeah, thank you for the
Yeah, afternoon.
highlight. And well, mine is
Yeah.
not in connection with what we have done so far, but I want to know how I can withdraw from my account.
Okay. So when you create the account and you want to deposit, you use the maybe mobile money or bank transfer, crypto, all those things. When you want to withdraw, it's the same process. Let me share my accounts with you. I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay, so let's say you want to withdraw. That one, you also get to visit your dashboard, like your normal dashboard. You come to transaction, then come in. You come to transaction here, deposit. That's when you are depositing, and then withdraw. You tap on withdraw. You tap the amount that you want to withdraw here, and then you place your withdrawal. Then, if it's Momo that you use to deposit, the money will hit back or it will get back to your Momo. If it is bank, it will go back to your bank. Crypto, it will go back to your crypto. However, if you have a challenge in your withdrawal or any account related issue, you can call the numbers that I shared in the chat box, Mary and Cornelius. They can assist you in the withdrawal, but the withdrawal is not a big problem. It's just the same way you deposited, the same way you see a button for withdrawal. You just do that and it hits your money. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so
yeah.
I've already started trading. I deposited
Okay, okay,
$100 Friday
okay,
evening.
okay.
And as it stands now, I've doubled
Hmm.
my equity now
Your
is around
money.
$200. Yes, it's
Okay,
$200.
okay.
Baba, show us.
That's it.
So
Yeah,
I wanted to see. I was just trying to see how I can withdraw some of the money. So,
yeah.
but on
Withdraw.
my portal now, it's telling me to provide a proof of residence. I've tried all that I could. It's still rejecting.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. So I think your account, one thing you also need to know that you can do your deposit, start trading, and all of those things, but ensure that you verify your account. But that is not even a problem. When you're verifying the account, it's just proof of residence and proof of identity. The identity is your ID, okay? Your ID, Ghana card, and all of that. And then the proof of residence is you can use bank statements showing where you live and all of that, or you can use just Ghana Post. Okay. So please, Clem,
Yes.
please check the chat box and you see
Okay.
Mary or Cornelius. Please call them now. I'll tell them that you're going to
Okay.
call them. Yes, they will
Okay.
assist you in the account verification so you can withdraw. So if you like, you can even stop trading. Okay. If that's what you want, you can stop trading for this verification process, everything to go through, and then
That's
you
not
can
what I
withdraw your
want
money.
to. I want to close the trade by $300 before the day ends.
Oh no, no. So for me, you said you wanted to no, for me, you said you wanted to withdraw, okay. And I was just trying to let you know that the withdrawal, you need to ensure that you get your account verified. So in as much as you want to grow it to $300, please call them just right after. I'll tell them that you call them, and then they will help you in your account verification, and then you do your withdrawal.
Okay.
All right, it's not a problem at all. That's not a big deal. And then
Yeah.
in the chat box, you also see a Telegram link. Please, if you're on a Telegram page, cool. If you're not there, just tap on it and join our Telegram page where we share posts and all those back and forth. Okay, please, any question?
Da Costa, me too. I don't want triple my account.
And then ask boss to Clem, you have a student
Yes.
here. He should come see you.
Okay. You can see me. You can see me.
Uh-huh.
I also have some
Or
students here. I'm also training them, coaching them small. They are making some small profit, but
okay,
they are still on the
okay,
demo account. So
okay,
I'm
okay,
pulling them to join the live account.
okay. It's fine. If you need our assistance, you can just let us work it out.
Sure.
All right, sure. So then Clem, you can do that on the partnership, or are you already a partner with?
Not yet. I'm not a
Oh,
partner.
then please, since you have some people who follow your signals and those things, you can link up with the partnership number. Call him, please. You can call him right now. That's in the training. Da Costa said you should call him, and then he will ensure that
Okay.
he sets you up, and then you start running from there.
All right.
All right, sure. Please, any questions? All right. So then we are going to meet tomorrow, or we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you for your time, and then all the best to you.
All right, Acosta. Thanks.
All right, sure. All right, bye. Bye.
Welcome, sir.
Hey, Jack.